This has been a really fun project to work on with my friends from church and as well as my wife. Here she's helping me put in the frames for the roof vents for the greenhouse from yourgreenhouses.com. Now we started working on putting up both of the end walls. We have the frames in place, and now we're putting up the materials for the end walls. So enjoy while you watch us work and put this together in the hot, blazing Texas sun. Hey guys, it's been another hot one, but the greenhouse is finished. We are very pleased with it, very happy with it. The design, the way it's built, the way it's put together, I can see why they call it one of the toughest greenhouses in the world. The polycarbonate, the wind strapping, the bracing, super tough. So we've got this guy all squared up, we've got it level. They got some more dirt work, some more soil, of course, to put around here for flowers and plants and all these kind of things. But the greenhouse itself is finished, except for the last thing on here is the top vents. We didn't get that done, but we'll get that done another day. So, but the main construction of this is done. So let me show you around. So you can see the polycarbonate, the wind strapping. You can see through there. You can see the bracing. And we've got everything around it, starting to get it cleaned up on the soil around it, so looking good. Got some more soil work to do out here in the front, just like the rest of our garden here. But the doors are on, doors are working nicely. And these are the Dutch doors, so I really like that idea. So we can always open this one, and we could open the one in the back or the vents. You can see the frames for the vents up there. We haven't finished, but we'll get those vents put in. But the Dutch door is a really cool idea. That way you can keep things out, but still ventilate it from the front. So there's the other side. I couldn't have done it without the help of my friends. I'm guessing that on average it probably took us a total of about 26-ish hours. But the main part of that, the main trouble that we had was just the heat. You know, we'd work for a little while and have to take a break. The heat and humidity here in East Texas was just brutal. So everything we were supposed to have was there. You can see these little corner cleats, all the bracing, you know how everything attaches in the corners. Got to do some more fill on the back of it, but it is all nice and square and level. The only thing that we didn't have enough of was we were missing 2 of these little guys. So I had some in my shop. I just added these for now. So they'll hold, they'll work. But we were missing 2 of those. I was too short on those little brackets, but it all worked out. All worked out very well. So there's the inside. You can see the top, see the sides. And it's too hot to be in here at the moment, but I still need to come in and, of course, level everything up and finish filling the soil in around where the feet are buried in the ground. So I really like the fact that all those feet are buried beneath the soil. So it would take a tornado or something worse to be able to pull this thing out of the ground. And I'm really excited that it is so well built. It is a great kit. So this one has 1 extension on it. They sent us an extension, the doors and the vents for the top. And the extension makes this one about 10 feet by 20 feet. So in my opinion, overall, you can't go wrong with a greenhouse from yourgreenhouses.com. The materials are top notch. The delivery was nice and smooth. Everything has gone according to plan. As I said earlier, just a few little things that we would make improvements, like in the directions and instructions. And for those of us in America who still use feet and inches, having to convert everything from metric so we could actually use our tools and things, our tape measures, to measure things out. So we had to do a lot of conversions. But other than that, you just can't go wrong with a greenhouse. Mosquitoes are beginning to get me this afternoon. So I'm going to go back to doing just a little bit more raking and soil work around this, and then I'm going to call it a day. We are exhausted, we're tired, it's been hot, but super happy with the greenhouse from yourgreenhouses.com. I give it a thumbs up.